So I'm gonna install today this wheel spacers by KSP Performance. So it's a 1.5-inch spacers. So I'm gonna use this one for this tire here. So this is 17-inch rims. The tires are 33 by 12.5. So I tried this one to fit on before, but there's only like maybe 3 or 4 millimeter, or let's say quarter-inch gap from the tires into the front control arm, upper control arm. So that's why I decided to get this spacers on. Right. So I'm gonna remove my standard tires on rims. It's also a 17 rims, but this tire is only like 265 70 by 17. Yeah. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna install 4 spacers. So as you can see, the tires to my fender flare, maybe there's about maybe an inch, so it's not really flush that tires is. So, and that one 33 by 12.5, so it's wider, so maybe it will sit like flush the fender flare. We'll see what happens. Right. So yeah, so there's 4 spacers here. Yeah, so that's the spacers. Looks nice finished, very clean. See nuts, and this the other 2 here. There's a 3rd locker. We will use it. KSP 10.9. KSP 10.9. Yeah. Yeah, so all 4 spacers, and we'll use this nut onto the stock studs. So and here you can use the stock lug nuts, but I cannot use my stock lug nuts because it's bulky and it won't fit on my rims. So I got this one here, White Knight 20 pieces. So it has the spline. It's different than the stock lug nuts. It's more like narrow. So, alright. So, yeah, so this is the rims and tires. As you can see, 33 by 12.5 is 17. So as you can see, it's wider. Right. So as you can see here, so that's how much gap I have right now with 265 by 70 by 17. So if I'm gonna put my 33 by 12.5 by 17, so there's only a little gap. So I'm afraid if I'm gonna make turn, it will rub. So that's why I will put spacers on. Alright, let's get this on. I'm so excited, guys. It's winter in here and it's minus 70. No, minus 20 right now. I have my body heater here running. It's my garage. It's an insulated garage, but my door is not. Right. Okay, there. So I use my brush to clean it. Then I'm gonna put anti-seize. Right. It's in there. Use this one. So it's like the stud, the stock stud. It's almost flush on the spacer here. Yeah, there's a little bit protruding there, but it's not very concerning. Right, so I put some thread locker in there because I forgot to put it. Good. Alright, so she's in, guys. So I already torque it. So it says there 85 to 95 foot-pounds. So yeah. Now I have to put the tires on. Alright, she's in, but I haven't torque it yet, so I have to put it down. So as you can see right now, the gaps within the control arm and the tire are significant. There's a significant space over there. So as you can see, my tires it's not flash to the fender flare. Looks like I need a bigger fender flare. So, yeah, so the gaps there are good. Right, let's torque it. Alright, one tire down, and I torque it. It's really good. Now I have to do the rest. 3 more tires. Okay. Right, second tire is in, and torque. Just have to put the hub cover. Right, hub cover on. Still, yeah, sticking out, but it's good. Maybe I'll get fender flare. Right, let's go to the next one. 2 more to go. Alright, third spacer. So I already torque it. So this is, by the way, this is a hub-centric spacer, as you can see here, as you can see there. Right, now I have to put the wheels on. Alright, third wheels are in and torque. It's just looking good. And see the fender flare here, it's not too bad sticking out the tires compared to the front. Let's see. Yeah, see, yeah, it's not too bad. Now let's go to the fourth wheels. Right, this is the fourth spacers to be installed. So as you can see there, there's a thread locker, the red one, and studs. So okay, right, just like that. Right. Okay, this is only no impact wrench. So this is the fourth spacer. So as you can see, the original stud is extend a little bit, or it protrude, but it doesn't matter because my rims it has a multiple hole, so that extended stud there, it will accommodate this in between the spacers stud. So I will show you in a bit. Alright, so now, so as you can see here, that's the, I don't know if you can see, so yeah, that's my original stud over there, the stock stud. Alright, so Yeah. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's now complete. And torque, I like the looks of it. It's more aggressive now. Alright, that's it guys. It's beautiful.